So guys, look at everything, eh? I came to my grandfather's house. So. I came to my granny house. So this is what they have given me, seafood. I need truck to use and pack them. I need truck, oh. If you see any available truck, please send it for me. Look at this one is 3 leaf yam. This is 3 leaf yam. This is pear. Eh? Look at afam. Look at afam. This one is afam. Afam here. Eh? This one is vegetarian. This cassava. Look at cassava. Cassava. So I'm using that new African salad, or I can use that new African. You can use it for fufu or gari. This cassava, fufu or gari. And this is palm nut. Look at the palm nut for soup. Banga soup, palm oil, anything you want to use it for. This is palm fruit. See, it's plenty. See. Young. So this is avocado here. My auntie, the mommy of the house. I say hi guys. Hi guys. Yeah. Hi baby. She's the mother of the village. Yes, mommy. My grandmother, my auntie, my mother, everything. If I come here, hi guys. She'll tell the whole village for me. She's the reason I'm going back with the whole village. Everybody knows this. So guys, we are leaving the village. So we are leaving. Yeah, look at our keke. Is that the song? Eh? Okay. Yes, sir. All right. Yes, sir. You became funny, sir. You're happy, are you?
No, because I'm here, we will see you more sick again.
I told you now that we don't worry.
And you told me that. Since I
Did I
don't
not tell you?
You
said we are going to trek. I said we are not trekking.
They can get going because of me.
Yes, sir.